I'm a firm believer that you are never fully dressed without a pair of lashes. It's like my kryptonite. Is that the right term? Anyway, I never feel like I'm fully put together until I have my lashes on. So I'm going to do a quick lash tutorial with my favorite lashes of all time. The very first product I ever released almost 8 years ago, my Napa lashes. Be really careful when you do take the lash off. I like to start from the center and then pull the band off. And then we're going to trim them to the shape of my eye for the right length. So when you put them on, you see like the overlap there. I know I want that gone. Also, if it's ever poking on that inner corner, you know that you've left too much off on the other side. So the big key here is you never want to eliminate any of the hair from the inner corner, because if you do, suddenly the really big lashes are towards that corner and then it's gonna look a little wackadoodle, okay? So always remove the flare from the outside. The only thing that you would ever remove from this side is that little tab right here. You trim that off. The lashes might feel heavy right away, but if it's poking, that's when you know you need to reapply. For me, I know I like to remove these first flares right here, these side two. So I'm going to trim that off. Now this lash is set, and I'm going to apply my lash glue and let it get a little tacky. Because I'm from the Midwest, it's really hard to be like, say such bold statements, but truly my lash glue is the best lash glue in the land. I know this because I've used a lot of lash glues. I was a bridal makeup artist for years, and this truly is the best. If you feel like you're bad at lashes, you just probably aren't using the right kind of glue, because it really matters. It's going to go on a little bit of like white, and then it'll get more blue and almost clear, and you know that it's time to pop them on. And I always like to add just a dab right there on the inner corner, because that's always the first place it's going to lift. You're ready to go. I'm going to let it get tacky while we prep the other lash. Be worn multiple times. What you want to do is just clean them every so often with micellar water, and that's just going to really help remove any like excess glue. And lashes are always the last thing to do. So you always want to do your liner, your mascara, and then your lash. The more product you put on the lash itself, then it's not going to want to actually stick on your eye. So it's best to remove that. Now I'm going to apply the lash glue. For me too, I actually really like my lash glue after it's been open for about 10 days, because I feel like it dries down a little bit faster. Bend those lashes. I'm going to let this one get tacky and then grab the other one. Bend the lash. Your bands don't bend. It's going to have a really hard time adhering to the eye, because if it tends to want to teeter-totter on the eye, that's when you're gonna run into those problems. So they'll be really bendy, which really helps. I learned this from Jaclyn Hill. You wanna come down on the eye, and your main goal is to first get it in the center of the eye and then go to those sides. See, never fully dressed without a lash. That easy. If your lashes aren't going on that easy, I'm telling you, you just got to get the right kind of band and that lash glue. You are set up for success. I love these so much. And because you waited this long, you got to see this little outfit. Like, it was serving, but adding that lash, perfect finishing touch. Or maybe I just need a really big hat, because I am giving Curious George in the best way.